Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta uria nowe muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya mabururi ma gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro arokire gutuma ndumiriri ya macakaya kurumirira gikuu kia mutongoria wa bururi turigainie wa Tanzania John Magufuli hwaini wa ira.
Fellow Kenyans, we have learnt with profound sorrow and indeed immense sadness of the untimely passing of my dear brother, His Excellency John Pombe Magufuli, President of the United Republic of Tanzania.
Ndumiriri-ine yake mutongoria wa bururi ni agwetete Magufuli ta mutongoria urekiriire muno uthii wa nambere wa mabururi thiini wa gitaru giki.
Africa and the world has lost an illustrious leader whose vision, passion, and immense leadership propelled the nation of Tanzania forward and also steered the East African community to closer integration.
Mutongoria wa bururi oho agithana bendera gucurio muthu muringoti a Kenya makinyitanira na bururi wa Tanzania gucakaya gikuu kia Magufuli kwa ihinda ria thiku mugwanja.
The flag of the East African community and the flag of the Republic of Kenya shall be flown at half-mast at all public buildings and public grounds and wherever else throughout the entire territory of the Republic of Kenya and at all Kenya's diplomatic missions abroad from today, Thursday, the 18th of March, 2021, until sunset on the day of the funeral.
Hamwe na atongoria agi aria macakaite gikuu kia Magufuli ni mutongoria wa bururi wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni uria ugite Magufuli arari mutongoria urekiriire wira na kio niguo gukuria gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni atumite ndumiriri yake ya macakaya akiuga Magufuli ni aririkanagwo kumana na ushamba wake na guthingata maundu maria makonie muingi wa bururi wa Tanzania. Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga augite Magufuli arari murata wa hakuhi muno na family yake kuona manatiridhania hindi ya mahinda marito. Ndumiriri-ine ya mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka augite bururi wa Tanzania hamwe na gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro nicio ni mutongoria wa mwanya na urekiriire kio wira-ini wake. Kuhitukira muikariri giti wa kanju ya magavana Martin Wabora, kanju ino ni cakaite Magufuli ikiuga ati ni ariririkanagwo kurumirira murugamo wake muhiu wa guthingatithia watho bururi-ini ucio. Hadwini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.